This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sally Sparks. Charming and open floor plan thanks to the recent renovation of kitchen and dining area. This home has a wonderful upstairs bonus room holding possibilities for all types of use. New flooring downstairs. Kitchen has granite, an island with seating, stainless appliances, a dedicated laundry space. The patio has been extended and the yard is completely fenced. Lots of natural light and this home is ready for new owners to enjoy. Current owners spend lots of time in the backyard and love the privacy and quiet. Easy access to 1 to 640 and Target. This property has been lovingly cared for and will make new owners a wonderful place to call home. For more information, review the details below or contact Sally Sparks at 865-342-4200.